Nature's Garden Merlot Wine Fragrance Oil. This fragrance oil by Nature's Garden has velvety nuances of red grapes, ripe plum, and apple, middle notes of red raspberries, strawberries, sweet violet, ripe maraschino cherries, and clove, which combine with a light alcoholic and spicy background. The wonderful aroma of red Merlot wine. A Nature's Garden original fragrance. Our customers create arousing products with this fragrance oil, including enticing decorative candles, intoxicating homemade soaps, warm bath and body products, and stimulating room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.